Hi friends, how are you all? Today we are going to see an app which has been developed for NEET aspirants. First, what you have to do is go to Play Store, open Play Store. There you type Studyboat. Open the Studyboat and install in your mobile. After installing, open that Studyboat app. There you can see register. Register there. Complete all your details and you go for I accept all the terms and conditions. Then you click here register. After you have registered, you can see it will be asking for mobile number and password. Now I am typing my mobile number and password. After that, you log in. After you have logged in, you can see 6 blocks: packages, practice test, support, learn, report, and links. First, we'll go to packages. There are many packages. Now, the available packages NEET and IIT JEE without mathematics. In NEET, I'm going to make a sample test, create test. Here you can select one subject, 2 subjects, or 3 subjects as you please. Now I am opening one subject. After choosing one subject, I am going for the next option. In the next option, it is asking for test name. Okay, wow, I am giving it as Maheshwaran. Okay, it is asking for number of questions. Wow, I can select the questions. Now I am choosing 10 questions. Next, time in minutes. Wow, beautiful option. Again, I'm going for 10 minutes. Then, next, here is an option to choose the chapters. Since it is a sample test, there are the available chapters are ecosystem, evolution, and organism and population. Now I am choosing evolution. Yes, next. Okay, all the details are correct. I'm going to create a test. The test has been created. Since I have to show it how it functions, I'm going a little bit fast. I'm answering step by step. So you can see here the time starts running, and now we are going to answer the second question. I'm answering all the questions. For students, they can study the questions and answer calmly and politely. Now I'm skipping off this 8th question. Now I am skipping off this 9th question. Now I am answering the 10th question. Yes, it is asking for whether you want to submit the test. Yes, I am submitting. For me, it is 4 correct, 4 wrong, and 2 skip. After finishing this, we can view the answers. Okay, you can view all the answers. If it is correct, it will be in single green. Yes. If it is wrong, the answer what I marked is this one, ovoparity, but the correct answer is homeothermy. So it will be showing in red and green. Wow, excellently it has been designed. Good. So I am finishing. And 8th question I have skipped it. Again it is showing in green. Okay, after studying everything, what we can do is go back, finish it. Now I have studied all the questions. Now you can go to practice test. Here you can go for tech test. Here it is an option whether you want to answer only the script question. I think this is the only software which has been so designed that you can answer only the script questions. Wow, it is showing only the 2 script questions. Beautifully it has been designed. Then what are the other options available? It is again going, oh, wrongly answered questions, we can do it again. Beautiful. So it was 4 wrongly answered questions. It is showing all the 4 wrongly answered questions. Beautiful. So students can, after finishing the test, they can go for option take test. They can answer only the script questions. Then they can answer the wrongly answered questions. Then we'll see what is this option, all questions. See, if we go for include correctly answered questions, take test, all questions, include correctly answered questions. If it is yes, again it is showing all the 10 questions again. This is one option. So after finishing all the 10 questions, that is the script questions and wrongly answered questions, again you can take all the 10 questions again and you can get practiced. Wow, it has been beautifully designed. And then what is the other option? All questions, include correctly answered questions. If it is no, wow, it is picking another 10 questions. So see how beautifully it has been designed. So once you can go for packages, there you can take the test. In NEET, you go for NEET. There you can see create test. After creating test, you can answer all the questions. After answering all the questions, you can go for practice test, and you can see that option is take test. You can answer skipped questions separately. You can answer wrongly questions separately, and all questions. The option is, if it is yes, you can answer all the 10 questions again, and if it is no, it is going to take new 10 questions. So you can finish off every chapter by chapter, and after finishing every chapter by chapter, you can go for cross chapters and cross subjects. I think this is the only software in India which gives us an option for skipped questions and wrongly answered questions. In Learn, we will see, so all the what are all the packages we have bought. There you can see right from class 9 biology, physics, chemistry, biology for plus 1, plus 2, everything is available in this package. And we will see what is report page. In report page, see, this is Maheshwaran, what the test we did. So I have did 4 questions correctly, so 40%. And we'll see what is this view option. View option, it is giving the history, average marks, so percentage and the time taken. Okay, good. And we'll see in progress. Wow, it is beautiful. Out of 49 questions, I have answered 4 questions correctly. So in that chapter, my progress is 2%. So when you practice it regularly, you can achieve 100% in all the chapters, in all the 3 subjects. Beautifully it has been designed. Okay, I will see how I can purchase this. Back, go to packages, NEET. So here, for example, I'm going for class 11 savings pack 7 days. You can see here the packages are available for 7 days. It is available for 15 days. It is available for 30 days, and it is available for 6 months. So whatever packages you want, you can get it. Now for example, we can go and select class 11 and 12. The package is for 30 days. It is showing the rate is 4,180. The number of questions is 9,001. I'm going for view details. It is showing all the details. How many subjects are there? How many questions are there in each and every subject in plus 1 and plus 2. Now I'm going for the option buy now. Yes, I want to buy now. It is asking for 1 referral code. See, this is a referral code which the channel partners will be having. When I give this referral code. When I apply this, see the price is 4,120 for 30 days. When I apply this, it becomes 2,000. Wow, it is 50% off. So after going for this referral code, now I can go for an option pay. So I can go for credit card, debit card, net banking, wallets, pay later. All the options are there. So after finishing all the options, after purchasing, you can see it will be showing create test. View details, here it will be showing create test. If it is showing create test, that package has been bought. If it is showing view details and if it is not showing create test, the packages has not been bought. My dear friends, see how beautifully it has been designed. You can answer the skipped question and wrongly answered questions separately. You can take unlimited test. Whenever you want to take a test, you can take a test, and you can go for packages of 7 days, 15 days, 30 days and 6 months. Wow, it has been beautifully developed, and I am sure that students who are using this software perfectly, they can score surely more than 500 marks in NEET. Thank you friends. Use this software and enjoy and score more than 500, and you all can become doctors. Thank you one and all.